Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a really quick hack to get your closures to look like frontals or just to look a little bit more natural. So this is going to be in collaboration with hairsmarket. I did do one video I just released last week actually, and this is the same wig, so she's still going strong. Okay, so I did initially not have baby hairs, but I just added some and I'm not too mad at the look. So I just want to talk about packaging, of course. This is what's inside, and 2 nude wig caps and a nice little pair of eyelashes. So thank you guys so much for those. So the hair got here in about 3 to 4 days via DHL. No issues. This is the link to this wig will be in the description. Now I don't want to talk too much, we're just gonna hop into the tutorial. So any questions you guys have, please comment below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.
Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me numb. Love me now when I'm gone, love me none. Love me none, love me none. Numb, numb, numb. Sink full of dishes, pacing in the kitchen. Cocaine for breakfast, yikes. Bed full of women, flip on a tripod. Little red light on, shooting, I'm feeling like Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. I'll never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back. You pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste, Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby, I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me numb. Love me now when I'm gone, love me none. Love me none, love me none. Numb, 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 numb. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, for the pain, for the pain. Novocaine, Novocaine. Oh, pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty. Pity, pity. All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty. Pity, pity. Oh, I can't feel a thing. Can't feel a thing. Can't feel a thing. Can't feel it. I can't feel it. Novocaine, Novocaine, Novocaine. I can't feel it. Novocaine for the pain, for the pain. I can't feel it. Feel it. Novocaine, Novocaine, can't.